Let's see how to fix the picture-in-picture not working on YouTube for iPhone. As you can see, mine is working pretty fine. So if yours is not working, you just need to check some things. Let's start here with the YouTube configuration. You come here to YouTube, and I'll just close this down. And then you come here to You, and here you just click on this gear icon and go down and find Playback. There we go. Here you just need to enable picture-in-picture, but there is also something else that you can do. You need to do, right? You just come here to the settings, and from here on general, you have this option to enable picture-in-picture. Make sure that you have it toggled here. Start picture-in-picture automatically, and you're good to go. If it's still not working, you can check here if you have the VPN enabled. You just come here on general again and come down until you find VPN and device management. And from here, you see if the VPN is connected or not. If it's connected, you just need to disconnect and it's going to work, right? And the last thing here is that YouTube does not allow you picture-in-picture outside of US. If you are outside of US, it's not gonna work, right? I'm just showing here the information that if you have a picture-in-picture, you need to use in the US. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. If you're outside the US, you can use YouTube Premium membership that you can have the picture-in-picture working on YouTube on your iPhone or even Android phone or any phone that you have back there, right? I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.